Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! If you're looking for a hot Black Friday deal that'll keep your digital assets safe and sound, you've come to the right place. Click on the link below to unlock these crazy discounts before they're gone. Have you ever found yourself worrying about the security of your crypto assets? Well, worry no more. With KeepKey, you've got a robust, secure, and user-friendly hardware wallet that's about to become your best friend in the crypto world. Let's talk about these mind-blowing Black Friday deals, shall we? KeepKey is slashing prices like a ninja with a lightsaber. Seriously, these deals are so good they make pumpkin spice lattes look overrated. First up, they're offering a whopping 50% off on the KeepKey hardware wallet. Yes, you heard that right, 50% off. That means more money to invest in your favorite cryptos or, buy more snacks. And if you think that's it, think again. They've got bundle deals that'll make your crypto-loving heart skip a beat. Get the KeepKey with a premium subscription to Shapeshift and save even more. It's like getting a cherry on top of your sundae, assuming your sundae is made of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a sprinkle of Dogecoin. But wait, there's more. For a limited time, you can also score exclusive access to KeepKey webinars. Learn all the tips and tricks from the pros on how to keep your assets secure and make the most out of your KeepKey. It's like having a personal crypto mentor, minus the awkward coffee shop meetups. So, what are you waiting for? These deals won't last forever, and you definitely don't want to be that person who missed out. Click the link in the description below and grab your KeepKey Black Friday deals before they disappear faster than Bitcoin transactions during a bull run. Remember, securing your digital assets is no joke. And with these KeepKey Black Friday offers, you'll be laughing all the way to your crypto wallet. Happy shopping, and may your crypto portfolio be ever in your favor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome crypto content. See you next time, and happy hodling. Click the link below to get your special offer now.